We got the rest.
Yep.
That family were going underground. This is
Also a hermit place.
hermit place.
Yeah, hermit place.
This is incredible. Family, this used to be a solid rock, and what you see is more like caves and underground tunnels. We're right here in Ethiopia, Lalibela, the holy city. All you Christians who keep on talking about going to Jerusalem, come to Ethiopia, learn about the history.
New Jerusalem, Ethiopia.
So all of the history for Christianity is in Ethiopia, not
Yes.
and not Jerusalem or.
Yeah, because was the main thing. What his aim or goal to minimize the suffering of Ethiopian pilgrimage. Because before Lalibela Church, as I told you yesterday, they were across desert place. Most of the pilgrims they were killed by Muslims. They were died on desert area, especially Sinai desert. So at this time, the elders they can get blessing in Ethiopia because there's New Jerusalem in Ethiopia, and the young zones to Jerusalem. Even January 7th, that's Ethiopian Christmas time. Most of the pilgrims, they walk on foot at least 60 days, 70 days, 80 days. Imagine, it's a long journey, even without shoes. It's not by lack of money, they don't get blessing. They don't get blessing. Still we use it.
Hey, just to let you know, it ain't serious nothing.
የሆነ ጥያቄ ጠይቀኝ።
So there was
You
a
wanted to leave there is no inside.
yes.
No,
Okay.
Yeah, he wants to move in.
If you want to be hermit, if you want to be hermit, we have special room.
Oh, this is for hermits?
Yeah, it was hermit. But nowadays the hermits they move from here to other monastery church.
Oh, they're more at the church.
Because when the tourists,
Now is commercialized. People come.
Yeah, people.
It's a lot. So little.
because the tourists when they go inside the church, they take pictures or disturb them because they don't have social life. 24 hours they are reading on their prayer books. They pray about the traders. The traders come back safely. They pray about the rain, may give us special rain for all things. So even they don't have special food, delicious food. Always they are it's fruits, and they don't have special clothes. Always they are wearing animal skin. So at this moment, number of tourists increase year to years. Also, in this case, to move from here to other monastery church. So now we'll start here, the tunnel. And before to go inside the tunnel, we'll see some room on our right side, because that part was the palace of King Lalibela. So the writers believe that this place, about 10 years, King Lalibela, he was praying inside here. 10 years for first group church, 10 years second group church, 3 years third group church, St. George. Not only the church, plus Jordan River, Mount Tabor, Mount Calvary, Mount Transfiguration, all places to chisel the same years, in 66 till 1189, 23 years. Imagine it's very short time. As I told you yesterday, it's very short time. So this is, we can say, this is completely this miracle, because 12th century, no squadron, no meters, no materials to cut the rock, even. He was special engineers because he was chiseled up to down, up to down. When you built the house, down to up, but the king, he was chiseled up to down because the whole rock, it was one single rock. North part, south part, west part, Jordan River, Mount Calvary, Mount Tabor, all was one single rock. One single rock.
Yeah. Architecture is
Now, you put it in the luggage because we'll throw the tunnel without torch. Yeah, because we'll start here, hell to heaven.
So
How to walk,
no torch.
no torch. Yeah, no torch. How to walk the tunnel, the first one is, she will take my shoulder and by your right hand to check the wall and sometimes to the roof parts. And you can't do it like her, just take my shoulder.
So no lights allowed?
No lights, not allowed the lights. It's not allowed.
Okay.
And just do like, you can do like her.
Take my shoulder.
Yeah, take my
Right
shoulder.
hand
You
to
can
feel the
take
wall
on
and
his
the seat.
shoulders. Because there is no steps.